Humidity. The amount of water vapor or the moisture present in a given volume of air is termed as humidity. It helps in cooling and heating of the atmosphere. The actual amount of water vapor in a given volume of air is known as total humidity or absolute humidity. The ratio between the actual amount of water vapor present in a given volume of air and the water vapor which the same volume of air can contain till its saturation level is called relative humidity. Condensation. Due to decrease in temperature, the water vapor starts converting into liquid water droplets. This process is called condensation. Condensation has various forms. Dew. On cool nights during winter, when the earth radiates heat and gets cooler, then the air which comes in contact with the cool ground also becomes cooler and water vapor starts condensing over the grass, trees, leaves, etc., which could be seen in the early morning. This is called dew. Frost. When the temperature falls down to 0 degrees Celsius, the water drops form ice crystals which are known as frost. Fog or mist. Fog is formed by the condensation that takes place on the dust particles floating near the Earth's surface. It can be seen during the peak winter season. Clouds. Clouds are a mass of minute droplets of water formed by the condensation of water vapors in the upper atmosphere. On the basis of this appearance and the altitude at which they occur, the clouds are classified into the following categories: nimbus clouds, cumulus clouds, stratus clouds, and cirrus clouds. Nimbus clouds. These clouds occur at low levels. They are dark grey or black in appearance. They cause heavy rainfall. Cumulus clouds. They appear like a cauliflower. They are often white or greyish. They are also the rain-bearing clouds. Stratus clouds. They appear like thin sheets in the sky. They are whitish and they hardly bring any rainfall. Cirrus clouds. These clouds look like the bird's feathers. They are often known as feathery clouds. They do not bring rainfall. Precipitation. Precipitation is the process under which the condensed water vapors fall on the ground in various forms such as rain, snow, sleet, and hail. Rainfall. Rainfall is the falling down of moisture from the atmosphere in the form of liquid water drops. Rainfall is of three types: convectional rainfall, relief rainfall, cyclonic rainfall. Convectional rainfall. When the air comes in contact with the hot surface of the earth, it gets heated, becomes lighter and starts rising up. Thus, convectional currents are formed. On reaching the upper layer of the atmosphere, the air starts cooling. Then, condensation takes place and clouds are formed. And if a critical temperature is reached, then the rain occurs. This is called convectional rainfall. Relief rainfall. When the relief features such as mountains come in the way of a moist wind, then the wind is forced to rise up the mountain. The rising wind starts cooling and then condensation takes place and the clouds are formed. Cyclonic rainfall. Cyclones are the centers of low pressure. The air converges from all directions towards the low pressure. It is forced to rise up. The rising air gets cooled, condensed, and clouds are formed, which ultimately bring rainfall.